plastic.
Yeah, it's not real.
Plastic can break.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So little kids can't have very big stuff.
Oh, no. Okay.
But they can only have little stuff.
Yep. Okay. Do you want to say hi to the camera with me?
Hi, camera. And she comes with a Fiona boot.
Oh, she does.
And she
Yep.
comes with clothes.
Yeah, she just doesn't have them on right now.
No.
Yep.
I just wanted to have her. I didn't want her to have her boots on, and look, her leg is not moving anymore.
Yeah, because it broke.
Because the guy was trying to get the boots off, and she accidentally broke one of the legs.
Yeah.
And I accidentally popped her head off.
Yep, we had to fix it. We had to glue it back on.
Mama had to glue a lot of the glue on.
Yeah, make sure it wouldn't come off again.
The whole one off.
You did, yeah. It was pretty bad, huh? Yep. She was ripped clean in half. But then we glued her back together. And now she's all better.
You can glue one of the other leg. And one glued her head.
Yep.
But I popped it off.
Yep.
And one of her arms didn't pop off. She still moved.
Oh, yep.
And I colored all over her.
Yeah.
I can color on her back too.
Yep. I
Color
see.
on her back.
Yep. That's a lot of coloring.
There's a lot of coloring. There was a red one on the back and blue stuff on the back.
Yep.
And there's blue stuff all over her.
Yep, there is.
But some of it comes off.
Yeah. Maybe if you scrub her.
Maybe Mom can scrub her.
Maybe she can give her a bath.
But you can't put her in the shower.
No.
You can only put her in the bath.
Yeah, that's true.
But the shower's too big for the stall.
Yeah, she would get full of water.
And she would break.
Probably. Yep.
Probably. But the big dolls can't go in the shower.
No, that's true.
The big
Just
dolls
little
can
ones.
only go into the bath.
That's
The
true.
big ones
Yep.
can only go in the bath.
Yep.
Because they won't break if they go in the bath.
Oh, that's true, I guess. Yep.
Because they won't get full of water if they go in the bath.
No, I
Because
guess
there's no
not.
hole in this doll.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So but there's holes in her arms and holes there on her belly and holes on her legs.
Yep.
So we're sure get into these dolls.
Yep.
And she has brown hair.
Yep. Do you wanna be in more video? You wanna record with me again? Yeah.
And little Mariah's colored on too.
Oh, yep. Okay.
Harper colored on go over that
Yep,
doll.
she did.
But the cold water is very freeze.
Oh, yep.
And the hot water is not freeze.
That's true. Yep.
Why is there cold water and warm water?
Well, because that's what it does.
Why is it mixed up?
I don't know.
I don't know why it's mixed up.
You're.
That's your helmet.
Oh, yep.
And you have bikes.
Yep. The.
Bikes are outside. Bikes, the bikes are outside. See?
Yep.
There's no bikes.
Okay, I need to say a couple more things, all right?
And I had a baby seat when I was a baby, and now I'm not a baby anymore.
That's true.
Now I'm a big girl.
Oh, you are.
Because I ride, now I ride a big girl bike all by myself.
Oh, that's true. You did.
But the pedals are not moving.
Oh,
So the
no.
bike can't move anymore.
Yeah, that's true.
Big kids have to help me
Oh,
ride
yeah.
the bike. Because
Okay.
I
Can
always
I-
ride backwards.
Can I record something really quick? Yeah? Okay.